Hello, it's Keith here. Just a very quick video today. I wanted to announce a competition I'm running on my website's forum. Now, I'm going to be giving away 3 of my custom designed t-shirts. You can see them at the bottom here. We've got ChibiAkumas episode 2, a Chibi Aliens one, and a ChibiAkumas episode 1 on there. Now, if you've been following my assembly tutorials, you can easily win one of these. All you have to do is sign up to my forum, which is of course free at chibiakumas.com/forum. And then you just need to go to the board index and you go to the show and tell. And all you need to do is tell me and everyone else on the forum about one of the projects you're working on. It's got to be something related to assembly. It doesn't need to be finished. You can just give us a brief description of it and maybe a fragment of the code, explain how it works. Just by entering and being on this forum, you will have a chance of winning. You don't need to be a patron of mine. You don't need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So anyone who's working on any programming projects with assembly can have a chance to win one of these t-shirts completely free. Now, the terms and conditions in detail are on the website. I'm paying for the shipping as well, so there's no cost to you involved in winning this t-shirt. So as I say, I'm really hoping that this will encourage people to give programming a go. Now, the winner will be selected by random from the people who've entered, so this isn't a skill-based competition. I really wanted to encourage beginners to have a go, and if this was a skill-based competition, then that's going to discourage people who are really just starting out. So whatever you're working on, please sign up to the forum, tell me about it, and let's see what you've managed. Anyway, hope this is of some interest to you. Thanks for watching today, and goodbye.